Naveen sir class. In previous class we discussed addition on fractions. Today we will discuss subtractions, multiplications and divisions on fractions. Subtraction on fractions. So, first problem 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So, let us subtract these like fractions. If we have like fractions, denominators are same, then we will write the denominator as it is. Then we will subtract the numerators. 12 minus 7. Then 12 minus 7 is 5 by 15. Like this, in this way we will subtract the like fractions and go for one more problem. 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5. So these subtract these unlike fractions. So how we will do? In additions we already discussed, the process is same. Then we added the fraction and here we should subtract these fractions. First let us find the LCM of 7 comma 5. So these two numbers will not go in same table. Let us multiply 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. So now these unlike fractions convert into like fractions. Then after we have to subtract. So 2 by 7 into 7 table 35 5 times. We have to multiply with 5. 2 5s are 10 by 7 5s are 35. Next second fraction 3 by 5. So 5 table 35 7 times 7 by 7. So 3 7s are 21 by 5 7s are 35. So now 2 by 7 fraction is 10 by 35 minus after 3 by 5 relative fraction is 21 by 35. So now denominator is same 35. Now let us subtract the numerators. 10 minus 21. Then 10 minus 21, from 21 10 gone. Then remaining is 11. Which is big value? 21 is big value. Then we should keep minus symbol by 35 in this way. Let us take one more example on mixed fractions. Third one, 2 1 by 5 minus 3 1 by 4. So first these mixed fractions we can convert into improper fractions. Then after by using LCM we have to change into equivalent fractions. Then we have to subtract the fractions. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 5 minus 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 11. Sorry 13 by 4. So now we have to find out the LCM of 5 comma 4. So these two numbers will not go same table. Let us multiply directly. 5 4s are 20. So now 11 by 5. Convert them into equivalent fractions. In 5 table 24 times. Let us multiply with 4. 11 4s are 44 by 5 4s are 20. The second fraction is 13 by 4 into, so in 4 table 25 times. Let us multiply with 5. 13 5s are 65. 4 5s are 20. So now let us subtract these. 11 by 5 equal fraction is 44 by 20 minus 13 by 4 equal fraction is 65 by 20. Then LCM is 20. Now 44 minus 65. So here subtract. So here we will get the answer is 21 by 20. So which is big value? 65. 65 is a minus. Then we should keep minus symbol. So in this way we have to subtract the like fractions and unlike fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Let us discuss about the multiplication of fractions. Here we are multiplying the fractions by using whole numbers and by using another fractions. So here, for example, 3 into 1 by 2. So this means what? Here 3 times 1 by 2 are 3 halves. We read as a 3 times 1 by 2 are 3 times 1 by 2 are 3 halves. So here 3 times 1 by 2. So here I am writing 3 times 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here the denominator is same 2. Let us add the numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then answer is what? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 are 3 halves. Are 3 halves. Let us multiply like this. 3 into 1 by 2. So nothing but 3 by 1 we can take. Now let us multiply the numerators. 3 ones are 3 by 1 into 2, 2. In both ways you will get the same answer. So this 3 into 1 by 2. So here 3 is a whole number. We are multiplying fraction with a whole number. So this means we will write as a 3 times 1 by 2 are 3 halves. So here 3 times I am taking 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So let us add this. 1 denominator is same, then 2 remaining 1 plus 1 plus 1 nothing but 3 by 2. So otherwise you can do like this also. 3 into 1 by 2. 3 nothing but by 1 we have. So 3 into 1 3. 1 into 2 2. So in both ways you will get the same answer. So next we are multiplying fraction with another fraction. So here we have a formula. Product of two fractions. Product of two fractions is equals to product of numerators. Numerators by product of denominators. Product of denominators. So here let us take one example. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So what we are doing here? Product of two fractions. This is a product of two fractions. So here product of numerators. So what is the product of numerators? 1 into 3 by next product of denominators. What are the denominators? Product of 2 into 4. Then 1 into 3 3 by 2 into 4 8. So let us take one more example. 3 1 by 4 into 2 3 by 8. So here these mixed fractions convert into improper fractions, thereafter multiply. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 2 8s are 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 19 by 8. Now product of two fractions. So what we have to do? Product of numerators. So by product of numerators, now 13 into 19 32. So 13 into 19. Let us multiply. 9 3s are 27. 19 3s are 57. So 7 5 carry. 19 1 are 19 plus 5 24. Then the answer is 247 by 32. So like this, in this way we will multiply the fractions by whole numbers and we will multiply the fraction with another fraction. So when you are multiplying with a fraction with another fraction, this is the formula. Product of two fractions is equals to product of numerators by product of denominators. So in this method we will multiply the fractions. Let us discuss about the division of fractions. So first we will divide the whole number by using fraction, and next we will divide the fraction by whole number. Then after we will divide the fraction by using another fraction. So here division we will do three types. First we will divide the whole number by using fraction, and next we will divide the fraction by using whole number. Then after we will divide the fraction by using another fraction. So here look at 3 divided by 1 by 4. So 3 is a whole number, is divided by fraction. So whole number we are dividing by fraction. So here we are dividing 3 wholes into 4 1 by 4 equal parts. So here these 3 wholes we are dividing into 1 by 4 equal parts. So here I am writing, take like these 3 wholes. So I treated these 3 wholes I get like this. These 3 wholes we are dividing into 1 by 4 equal parts. So 1 by 4, like this I am dividing 1 by 4 equal parts. 3 wholes I am dividing. So this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Like this, 1 whole. This is second whole, this is third whole. Total 3 whole parts. These 3 whole parts, in that each whole part I divided 1 by 4 equal parts. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Like this I divided each whole part. Now the answer of 3 whole parts is divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. Then let us count the total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then each part has each whole has 4 parts. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So the answer of 3 divided by 1 by 4 is 12. Let's watch this.
See here, fraction is 3 by 4. The reciprocal of a fraction is 4 by 3. So here, just turn it upside down is called a reciprocal of a fraction.
By using reciprocal also, we will do this problem. So here, 3 divided by 1 by 4. Then the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Then 3. So this division will be, it will change into multiplication. Even we are changing the reciprocal. So the division will be multiplication. The 1 by 4 is just, it will become as a 4 by 1. Nothing but 3 4s are 12. So here these 3 whole parts are divided, each whole is divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. So 1 by 4 equal parts. Let us count each has a 1 by 4 equal part, then answer is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Each whole is consistent 4 1 by 4 parts. Then 3 whole part nothing but 12. By using reciprocal also we can find this answer. So 3 divided by 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Then 3 4s are 12. Next, we are dividing fraction by using whole number. I am taking 3 by 4 fraction is divided by 5. So 3 by 4, this fraction is by using dividing whole number. So here 3 by 4 reciprocal, nothing but 5 by nothing but 1. Then it will be multiplication 5 by 1. The reciprocal of 5 by 1 is what? 1 by 5. So let us multiply the numerators. 3 ones are 3 by 4 fives are 20. Let us take one more example. 5 by 6 is divided by 8. So now 5 by 6. Let us write the reciprocal of this whole number. 8 by nothing but 1. So the reciprocal of 8 by 1 into is 1 by 8. So let us multiply the numerators. 5 into 1 by, let us multiply the denominators. 6 into 8. So 5 ones are 5 by 6 eights are 48. Next, we are dividing fraction by another fraction. So here 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now 3 by 5, the reciprocal of a fraction is 1 by 2. Of reciprocal is 2 by 1. So let's keep multiplication symbol. Then after this 1 by 2, it's become as a 2 by 1. Then multiply the numerators. 3 into 2 by 5 into 1. Then 3 2s are 6 by 5 1s are 5. So let us take our improper mixed fractions. By using mixed fractions also we can divide it. 2 1 by 3 divided by 4 1 by 6. So these mixed fraction convert into improper fractions. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 divided by 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 by 6. Now 7 by 3 into, now we are changing the reciprocal. 25 by 6 in reciprocal is 6 by 25. So just change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. This is called as a reciprocal of a fraction. So now let us multiply 7 into 6 by 3 into 25. So 7 6 are 42 by 25 3s are 75. So in this way we will divide the fractions by using whole numbers by another fractions. Homework problems on fractions. First problem, subtract the following fractions. So in the first bit I given two problems. First problem is 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8 and second problem is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8. So these two problems we have to subtract. Now second, multiply the following fractions. So first bit 6 into 1 by 5 and second bit 2 by 3 into 7 by 2. So multiply these following fractions. Third one, divide the following fractions. So in this answer given 2 bits, 8 divided by 7 by 3 1 by 4 divided by 6. So let us divide these following fractions. Keep watching. Thank you.